Today, I invite you to dive into the energy of the major arcana, the Hermit. It's the ninth tarot card, representing inner wisdom, introspection, and path clarity. The Hermit reminds us that often the answers we seek aren't external, but within us, found in moments of quiet reflection where we connect with our purest self. Listen to this strengthening for 7 days before moving to the next arcana. We'll strengthen the midline to receive, integrate, and act under the Hermit's energy. We boost the connection and communication between your lower and higher brain in both directions. This strengthens the deep connection between your body, mind, and spirit. We reinforce your midline to access your inner wisdom. Strengthen to open yourself to spiritual guidance and cultivate deep peace. Strengthen to let the Hermit guide with his lantern, illuminating the path within you. Strong enough to remember all answers lie within you. Strong to embrace solitude as a companion and chance for self-discovery without judgment. Strong to find joy and pleasure in your own company. Strong to trust your knowledge and intuition to guide you through life. Strong to recognize introspection as a powerful tool for growth and self-discovery. Strong to observe, feel, and accept the information within yourself. Strong to uncover peace in solitude and tap into inherent wisdom. We strengthen our connection to the present moment. Strong to release distractions, scattered thoughts, and bodily tension. Strong to focus your attention on each breath and heartbeat. Strong to connect with the here and now. Strong to receive the energy of the Hermit. We deepen introspection, inner reflection, and profound insight. We ignite and activate the energy of self-examination. We eliminate fear of rejection and resistance to inner exploration. We empower you to observe yourself as you are with love and acceptance. Strength to release any resistance, blocking deep self-connection. We remove external distractions that disconnect you from your essence. Courage to face your thoughts alone, unafraid of self-discovery. We link your inner wisdom to your source of truth and knowledge. We boost confidence in your intuition and self-guidance abilities. Strength to release fears of solitude, introspection, and self-confrontation. Power to understand yourself more deeply. Be strong to open up and enjoy your own company. Be strong to understand your inner growth through peace. We infuse you with acceptance, clarity, and calm from micro to macro. I align you with the energy of peace and inner harmony. Be strong to stay centered, balanced, and stable. Be strong to embrace tranquility and total acceptance of reality. Be strong to connect with calm and peace in negative experiences. Stay strong and neutral in any circumstance. Be strong to accept and interpret your inner guide's messages. of your higher self or elevated being. Strength to delve into Hermit's wisdom, a guide illuminating your inner path, reminding that answers lie within. Strength to seek within what you once sought outside. Strength to find deep peace, knowing all answers are within you. Strength to feel it in every quantum particle. Strength to respect your own journey. Strength to turn life experiences into wisdom. Strength to see each experience as a teacher guiding growth. Strength to know there are no wrong paths. Let each step and decision bring you to now. Strength to honor your story as you must. Strength to feel acceptance, dignity, and love for it. We fortify your connection to your inner dignity. Strong enough to feel, remember, and act as someone worthy of love, peace, fulfillment, and abundance simply by existing. Strong enough to accept, admit, and recognize that your essence as it is deserves respect, honor, and love. Strong enough to recognize, integrate, and honor both your light and your shadow. Strong enough to accept both the light and the darkness within yourself. Strong enough to recognize that both are necessary for your personal growth. Strong enough to feel whole and complete without hiding any part of who you are. Strong enough to act with patience and understanding. Strong enough not to rush things or force outcomes. Strong enough to understand that everything has its own rhythm and timing, and it's all perfect. Strong enough to patiently let things bloom in their own time without pressure, haste, or complaint. We strengthen your connection to all ancestral wisdom, strong with your ancestors' guidance and the deep knowledge they gained. Remember, you're not alone. You've got a legacy of wisdom and power backing you up every step of the way. Align your senses, mind, and heart to receive your inner message with clarity and confidence. I'm boosting your ability to enjoy your own company, to value and appreciate yourself from within. Feel the peace, love, and calm that comes from connecting with your true self during introspection. We're strengthening the integration of the Hermit's energy in all its greatness. Feel the wisdom rising from within, the calm of introspection, and the peace of total acceptance. Let's strengthen internal and external dynamics, limits, and vertices to 100% infinite potential always. We'll erase all weaknesses and blocks to integrating this arcane's energy infinitely and completely. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, reconnect, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. Do you now feel like the beacon of your own life, filled with dignity and honor? If not, repeat this strengthening until you can't see yourself any other way.